All right, check it. Here we are at beautiful Hilton Field, which is now unrecognizable because there's a whole town that popped up like overnight. Here we have the beautiful free wing Stinger 90. There's a little bit of a crosswind today, so we're using the alternate runway. Tony has decided to set up the airplane not on the smooth part of the runway. He likes the 4x4 action. He's become a 4x4 guy ever since he bought a Jeep, so he's gonna go ahead and take the Stinger off-roading. He's got confidence ever since he switched out to the Avanti gear. It's not bad up there. I mean, this is nicer than it's been the last few times we've been out. Huh?
Yeah, this is not too bad.
All right, there you are.
It's actually not too bad.
No, it doesn't feel terrible. I think it feels good enough to use the, where'd you go? The regular runway. I think I have your camera. I don't know. There you go. Nice. It's a G37.
What's that?
What did it say? What? Yeah, here comes Tony with his high-speed pass. Tony's heart breaks a little bit every time he does a high-speed pass in the Stinger 90 because he wants it to be faster. I see you, buddy. See you, buddy. 1 minute, Tony.
Un minuto. Un minuti.
How's the Stinger feeling these days, Tony?
You know, ever since I put that new gear,
You like it? You like it better?
I like it a lot better. Yeah.
The new gear made a difference.
It's actually flying very nice. When are you gonna paint it?
Let me know when you're gonna order them decals. Time for you to land, buddy.
All right.
Oh, the wind picked up right when you're landing. Ain't that some shit? Alright, Stinger 90 is down. I believe last time you flew the Stinger 90 off of this runway, when you went up, it was crazy winds. When you landed, it was stupid wings. And the Stinger 90 ate it. You ripped the gear off. All right, we're out, snitches.